In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to videos using Kapwing. If you're looking to bring some dynamic flair to your videos, incorporating GIFs can be a fun and effective way to catch the viewer's eye. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through each step to make your videos pop. First things first, head over to Kapwing's website. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in kapwing.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a button that says Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Signing in makes it easy to save and organize your projects, so it's a crucial step to make sure your work is saved and accessible. Now, you'll have several options to sign in, but the one we're going to choose today is Sign In with Google. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Follow the on-screen directions, and when you're done, you should be taken back to the Kapwing workspace. Find your project by looking through your saved projects list and selecting the one you want to edit. Clicking on the project name will open it up in the editing interface. In this main editing workspace, you'll see a variety of tools and options. The next step is to locate the Visuals tab. This is usually on the left-hand side toolbar. Click on Visuals and you'll notice a drop-down menu with different media options including images, videos, and GIFs. We are interested in the GIFs, so click on that option. If you want to browse through a selection of GIFs, there's an option to View All. This will present you with a library of GIFs to choose from. Take your time to browse through the library and find the one that fits the tone and style of your project. Alternatively, if you have a specific GIF in mind or one that you've created, there is an option to upload your own GIF. This can add a personal touch to your project. Once you've added a GIF, you'll probably need to resize it. To do this, click on the corners of the GIF and drag it to adjust the size until it fits perfectly into your video scene. It's worth noting that smaller adjustments can be made to ensure that the GIF isn't too overwhelming or too small within the frame. After resizing, you'll likely want to reposition the GIF to get it precisely where you want it on the video. Click and drag the GIF to move it around until it sits perfectly aligned with the rest of your visual elements. And there you have it, a customized video with engaging GIF content. You've now learned how to enrich your videos using Kapwing. With these steps, you'll be able to easily add a touch of personality and fun with GIFs, making your content stand out. Don't forget to save your project once you're happy with everything. Thanks for watching and happy editing.